Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a broken electronics mosquito racket in a stop it working, so I going to open it, find the problem and try to repair. Here you can see this electronic component such a resistor, capacitor and diode, transfer and other part that help generate the high voltage output. Before we start testing, let me introduce this digital meter. It is used to measure voltage, resistance, constancy and other electronic value. So first of all, start the digital meter. The light probe goes into the common this component on off. If you want to test this component, select this mode on the multimeter, then connect the purple and check the reading. First, I check the battery. So select the value. Minus or plus. This digital meter the value 4.0. This component right value. Now I am checking every component one by one using the digital multimeter. To find the beauty part, I am testing resistor, capacitor, diode, switch and the other component carefully. This process takes some time, so I am showing a fast motion. I found the faulty component. The problem is this switch. Unfortunately, I don't have new switch. I don't have a new replacement switch. This other switch is only used for the LED light. And I don't use the feature very often. So I am going to carefully remove it with a soldering iron replace the switch with I have replaced the purity switch and now the Mosquito Racket is working properly again. Success, I replaced the purity switch and now it is working perfect. Now let's put everything back together and see how it works. Now I reassemble the Mosquito Racket and then I show you the final result. Alright everyone, I see you in the next video. Take care and thanks for watching. Goodbye.